Welcome back again to another great video. What you're looking at, you see two window regulator brackets and two clips, and they're for Fiat 2012 all the way to 2020. The reason you see those two brackets is because not too long ago I had to replace I needed to replace the clips on both windows. After I ordered the clips, I then went online and I saw that I could have gotten the bracket assembly without the motor for $29. And so what I did, and I bought the bracket assembly. It comes with the clips, cable, and everything. And so what I did, I still kept the clips, the window clips. So when they came, I just took the motor out of the bad ones, these here, and then put them on the new bracket assembly. So I didn't throw my bracket assembly away. So that's why now I'm putting the clips on them. Why? Because those clips keep on failing, breaking under pressure, under tension. So I will have something ready next time it happens. So now let's see how we do it. This is one of them that I did off camera. Um, to be honest with you, this is my first time. It took me quite a few tries for me to do it, even though I've done it in the past, but that was many years ago. I did it. So now we are going to do this second one. So the process is the same for left or right. As a matter of fact, the window regulator clips, they are exactly the same. Even the bracket too. It's just where you place the motor that's a little bit different. So now you see I removed the old pulley. Okay, the pulley is fine, and then this is the window clip, and that's the one that prone to fail, because the actual the clip that pulled the window, it attached to the window. There's a groove, a little hole, and then it goes in there, and he has to pull the window down and also push it up. And so if there are too much tension, then that one it will break. So first, what we need to do is to take a good visual picture, or actually take picture and do a small video of how everything was before you start taking them apart. So what you see here, I removed the old clip, and then I'm putting the cables, and so the same way, the same position as the old one. I placed put the cable. And if I had to do this job 2 hours later, or 3 or 4 days later, then the picture would be a good idea. So we won't forget where everything was. And then when you're ready, and you will place it. So you can't really do this wrong, because you will have an idea exactly. And so the bottom, there are two small pulleys, one on top, one at the bottom. And so, and then you have to line it up correctly. And so now on one side, and that's where you will clip the pulley. Okay, clip the pulley, and then the pulley will sit on the one of the small pulleys. And the small pulleys, they are tight, they firm, and then they also have a groove where the cables will just go around it. So that, yeah, so it's they stay But as you later you will see, once you start to tighten up the cables to the main pulley, and they will keep on coming loose. But it can be done. And now you see I'm putting them uh, back in the in the groove, and then so it's the same for this, that pulley. There's one position you can go if you have your motor with you, and then you will also try the motor to see. But the pulley, the flat side, the one that don't have the three legs, it goes against the frame. Okay, it goes against the frame. You'll see it has two sides. One side has three teeth, as you see right now. Those are teeth. They go inside in the motor, but the flat part goes against the frame. And so once you place it in position, you go ahead and you take the cable. So the top cable will be for the first groove. You see where my thumb is. You'll see there's a slot where to put the cable, one end of the cable, and then this other end of the cable, it goes on the inside. It goes in the inside. So yeah, see, it goes in the inside, and then you tighten it. And so now it's a little bit tricky to you have to hold it like this, and then you will have to put it under pressure, tension. And in order to do that, after you got it like this, you have to twist it. You see, you twist it as if you're tightening it. You twist it. So this is another replay. Yes, because I did this several times before I got it correctly. So again, that's a replay. You twist it. Okay. Now put it back again, and then now I'm twisting. You see, it's going clockwise, and the purpose of twisting it is to put it under tension. So you see, the cable still had it was still loose, so I twist it, and to get it more in line, okay, in the pulley. Okay, so and once that is done, it will be firmed. It'll be firm. So it looks like I'm about to do it. Yeah, there we go. It's good. And then from there, see, and then now I just flipped it over. Like I told you before, the flat side is going to be against the pulley. I mean, against the frame. Okay, the bracket. And then those three teeth legs, they are for the motor. So now what I'm doing is I'm testing it, and so all the same time I'm making sure that it stays in place, because you don't have the motor to hold it tight. So I put the pencil to hold the pulley on the frame. And so you see, I'm turning it around, making sure that it works. See, the window clip is going up and down. So that's the clip that attaches to the glass and brings the glass down and push it up. So it looks like it's mission accomplished. Okay, and so that's the other one that I did earlier. So now I have those two ready. One left window, one is a right window. And so whenever the other one broke, and I will use one of these to actually fix it. All I will do, I will just take the motor out of what that the broken one, and place it on this, and then it will be ready to go. So I'm done, and thanks for watching. So basically, if you want to do this, you have to do it. You're gonna have to try several times. But again, if you just don't want to deal with this, you don't want to buy the clip, you can just buy the bracket. The bracket is about $29. Now we're in 2022, the beginning of 2022, $29. You just buy the bracket, and then you take your motor out of the your broken one, and you place it on it, and then you'll be done. But these are about 15 to $18.